So good evening, my dear students. Welcome to the new session again. Yesterday class already we have discussed about the fundamental things. Okay, I am just recalling here revision tour 1. Okay, introduction already we have revised. As you know, features. Okay, if the question will come advantages of Python, we can write this one. Features, disadvantage, limitation, you can write this one. Okay, already we have discussed tokens. Okay, list of tokens, keywords, these are the keywords, reserved words, identifier rules. I have already told you yesterday class. Okay, revise, I am just revising it, recapitulating. Okay, so the following are some valid identifier. In valid identifier I told you literal value, these are some different kinds of literal. I have told you string literal, single line string, multi-line string, list of escape characters. Okay, size of string, how you know the size of the string? By using the length function. So you can determine the size of string as the count of the number of characters. Then numeric literal, I have told you number, it is divided into three parts: integer literal, then the integer literal also decimal, octal and hexadecimal. Okay, then floating point part, it has two form, fractional form and exponent form, then complex number literal. Clear? Then come to boolean literal, it has two value, true or false. It will be used only in the conditional statement. Okay, it is supported by the conditional statement. So when the condition is true, it will be access true value, false value will access. Okay, special literal, Python has one special literal that is known. It indicates the absence of the value. In other language, it is known as null. Okay, in other languages, the absence of the value means null, but in Python, it has added to none. Nothing, absence of the value. Then we start our new concept today, operators. Okay, so what is that operators? It will perform some specific operation when it is applied on a variables. Okay, so in operator, two things you have to keep in your mind. First one is your operand. Second one is your, okay, what are the operands are there and what is the operator is there. Based on that, the operators will be working. Clear? So operand means those variables or values you have taken, that is called operands. So here they have taken one example, 10 plus 25. So 10 and 25 is the operands and floss is the operators here. Okay, and above statement is an expression. The 10 plus 25 is, we can call, is one expression, combination of operators and operands. So operator operate on operand. Some operator requires two operands, some require only one operand. Okay, so there are some operators are there that is called unary operator. It is, we'll read in the next slide. Different types of operators are there. Some operator works only one operand, some operator requires two operand or more than two. Okay, so operators can be unary, means unary operator means it will be work on unary operator. Okay, it will be work on single operand only. Single operand. Okay, binary operator, it will work on two operators here. Okay, it is called single operand unary operator or two operands binary operator. Okay, let's move to PPT. So operators can be, these are the different types of operator you will get. So first one is an arithmetic operator. As you know, the arithmetic operator is used for the different calculation purpose. Okay, so addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, then it is called modulus. Okay, exponent, floor division. These are the different arithmetic operator is there for doing the mathematical calculation. Relational operator. Okay, it will make some relation that uh, one, suppose you take two number. Okay, first number is greater than the second number or not, it is less than the second number or not, like this you will be make some comparison based on some relation. Okay, then logical, and or, two operators are there when you are using any logical operation, logical condition. Then identity operator. Okay, identity means that should be present or there should be some identity in this sequence or not. Suppose you have taken one string. Okay, in the string, suppose we have to find out the particular character is present or not. Okay, or they have some identity in the sequence or not, then we use is. Okay, is not. Assignment, single equal to, it's called assignment. Suppose you write a equal to 5, that means 5 value is assigned to whom? A. Membership, that should be present, that should be a member of that sequence, in and not in. Okay, then arithmetic assignment, two things should be happening here. Okay, arithmetic assignment, that means assignment should be there, with that some additional arithmetic is there. Suppose I am telling here an example, plus equal. Okay, that means first they will be do the addition, then they will be assigned. Suppose I write a plus equal to 5. So what is the meaning here? A equal to a plus 5. Suppose a value I have taken 5, and I'll write after this, I'll write suppose a value 5, then I write a plus equal to 5. That means now a value changes to 10 and it will be assigned to. Okay, I'm also doing the program, you can see here. Okay, so here we are reading all the operators, yes or no? You can see here all the operator we have already described. Yes or no? All the operators we have already, is up to this arithmetic assignment we are moving. So I am giving one example, you can see here. An example I am giving you through Python. Then you will know the use of arithmetic assignment. Here I have written next. Suppose I take the value a equal to 5, a plus equal to 5. Then that means a equal to a plus 5. That is the use of arithmetic assignment operator. That means two things should be happen. First there will be calculation, they will do the calculation, then they will be assigned. Suppose you can see here. Ideally here I'll write, okay, in the enter screen. Suppose a equal to 5. I think it is visible to you. Okay, then a equal to a, sorry, a plus equal to 5. So here you'll see the program I have typed here. Okay, I have taken a equal to 5. You can see, then a plus equal to 5. Okay, then print a. When I run it, you can see the value will get 10. Suppose I change here. Okay, instead of plus 5, I write into 5. Into equal to 5. Okay, and again I run here. Sorry, it is not saved, that's why. Before that, I'll save it. See, 25 will get answer. Okay, like this, we're using different arithmetic. Okay, so here it is how we'll be working arithmetic assignment operator. Clear, I think, everyone? What is the use of arithmetic assignment? Then bitwise. Bitwise means it is one operator where you will shift the value. Shift the value. Okay, works on some value. Take two value, and based on the two value, it will be some right shift, left shift, right shift, bitwise and bitwise or bitwise XOR. This is called bitwise XOR, bitwise and bitwise OR. Okay, so it has some particular work based on some particular value. Shift the value or work on a particular value. So these are the main operator you will get. So if the operator concept came, you can write down, okay, what is the use of operator? It will work on some value and give you a proper expression. Okay, the result, final result you will get in the form of expression. And here two things should be there. One is operand, another one is operator. Thank you. Chalo. Then punctuators. Punctuators are the symbols that are used in a programming language to organize the sentence structure. Whenever you are writing the print statement, suppose we'll write here print the first value to be inserted. Suppose you type here. Okay. Then here you hold, here you give one column. So this is the sentence structure or not? Here you add some double quoted, here you add some colon. So in which way you will write this statement? In the same way it will be shown in your display, in your console. Okay, that is the use of the punctuators. At the rate symbol, any bracket, colon, semicolon, okay, double quoted, dollar, whatever you are using. Then come to the important concept barebones of Python program. It means basic structure of a Python program. Okay, whenever you start your program, in which way you have to write a particular program in a Python. That means the structure, it will be give you the structure. So first it will be start from a comment lines. You can see if the comments is written here, yes or no. So this program shows programs component. What is the use of comments line? Comment line is used for the user understandable purpose. Okay, anyone can see your program and they can understand what you have done in this entire program. So by looking after your program, any user, okay, a non-technical person also, they can know that what you are doing in the entire program because of your comment line. Because in every line, you mention that in this particular line, I have done this one, or in the beginning of the program, you have defined it. So here they have defined this program shows programs component. Definition of function CU. Okay, we have used one function, that is CU. This is the function. Function also one part of a program. By using the function, you will do different kinds of program. Okay. Then after function, you write the main program. Here they mention hacks through hacks. It is called comment line. You can use hacks for single line comment. Okay, and you can use triple quote for multi-line comment. Okay, we'll discuss it, but not required that much. Just understand the comment line is for the user understandable purpose. Okay, then you can see a equal to 10, b equal to a plus 20, c equal to a plus b. Okay, these are called b equal to a plus 20, c equal to a plus b. These are called all are called expressions. Okay, and the statements a equal to 10, it is one statement. It is also all are called one statement, and whenever they are doing any type of calculation or operand with operators, that is called what expression. Clear, I think everyone. Then another concept they have added here, that is called indentation. Okay, you can see here. So what is that indentation? That indentation means you will be write your program in a particular order. Okay, see after if condition, if c greater than equal to 100, they have given here 4 line of space. Okay, whatever they have given a particular space for it, and they have written print. Again they have written given a particular space, so a particular order you have to write the program, otherwise it will show you the error, indentation error. Clear my point? That is called indentation. That means you write the program in a particular order or statement, or the expression whatever you will write in this entire function program, that should be in a particular order based on the indentation rule. Okay, it will follow the indentation rule. Then inline comment. What is inline comment? Here c greater than, if c greater than equal to 100, here they have written in the same line, they have written the comment, that is called inline. Same line, if you write any comment, that is called inline comment. Then a block. What is block? Suppose you write started if. Okay, if condition, under that else also coming, so when the if and else part will cover one entire block. Okay, entire block of code, that entire part is called one block. Then calling the function, that is different things. Okay, but you remember. So what are the things we read now? Just recall it. Barebones of a Python program, very much important for you. Okay, barebones. First one you read comment line. Second one function. Third one statement. Fourth one expression. Okay, one block. Sixth one indentation. So everything is important. Okay, you cannot exclude anything in this in a program. Whenever you are writing any program, everything is required. Command line is required, function is required, statement is required, expression is required, block is required, indentation is required. Clear? So let's come to the slide again. So these are the dashboards. Then variables. What is variables? Variables are named temporary location. used to store the values which can be further used in calculation or printing result. Okay, temporary storage. Suppose I write a equal to 10. So temporarily, now the 10 value is holding by the variable a. So up to this program over, the variable should be there. The a value should be hold 10. Okay. Later you can change it also. Then you can see how you can assign, okay, or declare a variable in the Python. And every variable must have its own value or type in the Pythons created by simply assigning the value desired typing to them. Python variable are not storage container. What is that? Like other programming language. Okay. So in other programming language, it is variable is called storage container, but Python it is not. Why? Suppose in C++, if we declare a variable radius equal to 100, then their memory address is 41260. That is one address they have given. Now we again assign the new value to radius 500. Now the memory address will be still same, only the value will change. Okay, so in the same memory address, it can occupy, replace the value instead of 100, 500. In other programming language like C++ or Java programming language. But in the Python, in case of Python, radius equal to 100, 3565, suppose one memory address they have taken. The value changes 700, that means also the memory address will be changed. Okay, whenever the value will be changed, the memory address automatically changes. So now you can see that in Python, each time you will assign new value to variable, it will not use the same memory address. Very important concept. New memory will be assigned to the variable. Okay, so in Python, the location they refer to changes every time their value changes. Then dynamic typing, very good concept. Okay, so in Python, a variable declared as the numeric type can be further used to store string type or another. Okay, suppose you have declared a value, any number or something you have declared. They have given an example. You can see x equal to 100. Print x. Okay, then x equal to, if write another, I am writing hello world. It will also they can also. Okay, that is called what? Dynamic typing. That means a variable pointing to a value of certain type can be made to point value or object of different type. One type they have taken already, but again if we will give another one also it will be taken. That is called what? Dynamic typing. Clear everyone? You can see here example dynamic typing. Sorry, x equal to 100. Okay, and again they have changed, written something. This will be the 100 value is replaced as this one. So the type changed or not? It is the numeric value, it is the string value. So caution with the dynamic typing. Always ensure correct operation during the dynamic typing. If types are not used correctly, Python may raise an error. What is that? Suppose you have taken 100 and y 0, then you write x by 2. Okay. Clear? Then you print y, then it will be easy because x value is 100. Now again you have changed x equal to exam. Then you write y equal to x by 2. Then error, you cannot divide the string. Okay, because in the first declaration the x value is 100. Later it is changed to exam. So that's why in the dynamic typing this type of error may come. So always ensure the correct operation during the dynamic typing. That means before doing the operation, you check your value. Okay, what type of value you have entered. Then you will go for the operation. Clear everyone? Then static typing versus dynamic typing. Dynamic typing is different from static typing. Static typing, data type is attached with a variable. When it is defined, first it is fixed. we cannot change it. But in dynamic typing case, we can change the value of that. Okay. So static typing is the fixed value. Once we give means it is fixed, and dynamic typing means it is dynamic. You can change that. Clear? Multiple assignment, assigning same value to multiple variable. You can see same value. 50 value will assign to C, B. Assigning multiple values to multiple variable A, B, C, 11, 22, 33. That means 11 will be assigned to A, 20 will be assigned to B, 30 will be assigned to C. So while assigning the value through multiple assignment, remember that Python first evaluate the RHS, then assigning to the LHS. Okay. First part RHS, right hand side. Suppose you can check here which value is assigning here. You can check. Spider is here. Suppose right here. Okay. A, A comma B comma C. 10, 20, 30. You can see here. Okay, whenever you print the value A equal to you have taken and you have printed here 10, 20, 30. Here a point. Come to the slide. Okay, assigning multiple values to multiple variables. Then multiple assignment, as you know that. How can you do the multiple assignment here? Okay, xyz 10, 20, 30. Then you will be increase some value, do some value, do some operation, and you will be getting some value. This type of question they may ask you in the examination. They will be give you three variable x, y, z. You can see here 10, 20, and they will write in this order z, y, x plus 1, comma z plus 10, y minus 10. Now x plus 1, whatever, what is the value of x? 11. 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 value will be assigned to z. Now, then z plus 10, what is the value of z? 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 value will assign to y. Y minus 10, what is the value of y? Sorry, z plus 10. Z value is 30. 30 plus 10, y value is 40. So first value is 11. Here it is 40. Then again, y value is 20. 20 minus 10, 10. Okay, so the answer is, you can see here, 10, 40, 10, not 11, it will be 10. Clear my point? Now guess the output, this one. Do this in your system and run it. Another thing I am telling you, an application Pydroid. See, it is in your Android mobile. You can download this one and run your Python program. Okay, very much important. So download this application and run your Python program. Write down the statement one by one and run. Then you will get the result and you see the execution. You see the logic. Multiple assignments, same thing. Simple input and output. So Python, you can take input from user using the built-in function input. Okay, this is the syntax. Variable equal to input, message to be displayed. So value taken by input function will always be the string type. Always. By default, whatever value will take through input function, it should be string type. You have to change it. How you have to change? By using some function like int, float. Okay, use before that input function. Then it will be changed. Otherwise, it will be give you like this error. You can see enter your salary 5,000. So 5,000 in which format? String format. So whenever you will be divide and do some operation calculation, it will be not happening because why? It supports string value by default. So you have to change it using the int or float function. You can see age equal to int input, enter your age. Int your age. Float, enter your salary. Then you can perform some operation. Then it will be successful. Okay. Now you are aware of the input function value will always be of string type. So if you want to change it, okay, any number you enter, any floating point, and you can use int and float two function. So Python also allow you to display the output through print statement, print function. So syntax print object separator string and end string. Okay, here the object means one of multiple comma separated object. You can see here print welcome, print 100, s20, enter the print your s, like this. You can print different things by using the print statement. These are the different examples. Space will be automatically inserted between different values as separator because the default value of separator is parameter space. Whenever you write anything, they will give you one space because the default value of separator is what? Space. They have taken here one separator string, it is space. By default, each print statement appends a new line character after printed the value. Suppose you write here learning Python, then another line developed by guide of Henderson. We can see it will automatically come to the next line because the print statement by default it supports new line character. The default value of end parameter is /n. Here you have using one n parameter, you can see here and string it is /n, new line. Okay, this is the use. We can change the value of end to any other value. You can change end equal to smile. You can see here in one line you will get. Okay, so by default it is this one. So if you want to change it, you can. Okay, so one program they have open a new script file and type the following code. Okay, number one, number two, add the two number and result store. Save and execute by F5 and observe the result. F5 the shortcut key to run your program. Few programs. Calculate perimeter of rectangle. Do this program today and show it to me. Enter radius and calculate area of circle. Enter name, marks of 5 subject and calculate total and percentage of a student. Enter distance in feet and convert it into inches. Okay, conversion function you will apply. Feet to inches. Mathematical formula you will put here. Enter value of temperature Fahrenheit, convert it to Celsius. Enter radius and height of a cylinder and calculate the volume of the cylinder. This program you do that and show it to me. Okay, for your examination. So next class we'll discuss the data types. Different data types will be present. Okay, so thank you for today. If any doubt, okay, you can ask me. Thank you. Bye bye.